Alright, so here is the package that this delivery came in. If you can see here, ooh, this is definitely going to sound pretty cool. Looks like we got some hardware that's just laying around in here. So if I'm missing hardware now, that's definitely going to be missed for this. But I see the gasket there. I see some more hardware bolts. Looks like there's another gasket down here. Once I'm not the best at multitasking, making sure I get the shot while narrating and unpackaging. Alright, so it looks like we got our resonator pipe here, all wrapped up, bubble wrapped. Alright, so here's the canister. Exhaust tip there. It looks like it's about now let's dig around down in here and find the rest of this hardware that maybe fell out of the box. Sorry, I'm not really doing good shots. It looks like it might have came in this packaging right here, but it got destroyed. I'm not sure what that's all about. Right, so it looks like everything is here. Hardware bolts, gaskets, got the resonator here, canister itself. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing here, and I'll see you guys when it comes time for the install.